Hey, how are you guys doing today? My name is Matt, or you can call me Fry. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take your video and how to break it down into smaller clips using Shotcut. I'm not going to get into anything fancy like transitions or anything like that. I'm here to just simply show you how to take your video and break it down into smaller clips. So the first step obviously is going to be to open up Shotcut. Once you have Shotcut opened, you're going to see this window right here for new project. You're just going to make a new project for this video. I'm just going to name this one 2. And then you're going to click on start. Once you created a new project, you're going to want to click on open file. And you're going to want to click on the video you want to break down into smaller clips. So for this video, I'm just going to pick this one right here. Alright, so once you open your video in Shotcut, the first thing you're going to want to do is drag it down into your timeline. Once you have it in your timeline, you're going to want to find the clip or the part of the video that you would like to make into a clip. So I'm just going to fast forward through this here and try to find a little something that I can make into a clip. Alright, so let's say I want to make that into a little clip right here. So in order to do that, you're going to want to take this thing right here and drag it back to the start of your clip. Once it's at the start of your clip, you're going to want to right click and you're going to want to click on split at playhead. So that makes a little clip right there where it starts, and then you're going to want to find the end part of your clip. And it's going to be right there. So I'm going to right click again, click on split at playhead, and then I'm going to left click on this section that I don't want. I'm going to right click and then click on cut. That takes off the excess, so when you drag this back to the start of your video, it should be your clip.
Out of charges.
It took forever to die. And you can do this as many times as you want. I'm going to demonstrate by making another clip from this video. So let me find something here.
One enemy remaining. Last play.
Alright, let's make that into a clip real quick. So we're gonna go back to the start of the clip. It's going to be right there, so I'm going to right click, click on split at playhead, click on the excess. We're going to cut that out. Now we're going to go back to the beginning of the timeline. You should have your first clip here.
Out of charges.
And then the second clip's right here.
One enemy remaining. Last.
It ends right there, so I right click again, split at playhead, left click the excess, then right click it, click on cut, and then you have your two clips right here.
Out of charges. Enemy remaining. Last.
And then once you're finished, you're just going to want to export your file. So if you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. That will help it get to other people that are struggling with a problem like this. I really appreciate you watching today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.